The Valdosta Fire Department wants to remind citizens to test the batteries in their smoke detectors each year during daylight savings time when citizens spring forward or fall back. Nearly 2/3 of home fire deaths result from a home without a working smoke detector. Chief Freddie Broom says replacing the batteries twice a year is a simple and inexpensive way to save lives. The fire department also recommends to have smoke detectors on every level of your home and outside sleeping areas. For more information, call the Valdosta Fire Department at 229-333-1836.